Can we agree? Farm to table is a very hot topic right now. Have you noticed all those cooking shows on television recently? I can imagine that those chefs likely tried to hang their shingle as a private chef, but they aren't cooking in your kitchen. We plan to change that. Our goal is to make a marketplace for all those cooks to become chefs. The restaurant industry has been reset. The increased cost of food, the price of labor, the shift to more intimate food gatherings, or outdoor dining are here to stay. The more chefs we talked to, we found out most have tried to hang their shingle as a private chef or caterer, but don't have the business means to sustain themselves. An online marketplace exists for everything else except for chefs. People are hungry for unique experiences, and there's nothing more authentic than sharing valuable time with the people you love on our marketplace. The gig economy is here to stay. Uber, Airbnb, Lyft have paved the way. It's far more efficient to have a chef come to your gathering, cooking in your kitchen, reduces their overhead, simplifies their process, increases their margin. We plan to earn 15% from the chef, plating, serving, promoting, 15% from the client, hosting, cleaning, facilitating. Catering is an $11 billion industry, and in 2022, $100 million of that was invested into this market segment, not including the growth in Green Chef, Blue Apron, and all the other meal delivery services out there. We've brought on 4 chefs from our community who want to be private chefs and cook in your kitchen. We plan to launch a private beta to gather some professional content, prove out the viability, and attract other chefs. We also have a few other chefs across the nation in Austin and Newport Beach, California, who are excited to be involved once we're able to grow. Our system will simplify their ability to showcase their art and let the next generation hang their shingle as a chef. Portland is the mecca of food, home to more awards than any other city in the nation. We were an integral part in the food cart culture growth, and Bonappaeat.com is on the tipping point of the next movement in the food and gig economy. My co-founder and I have been small business owners for over 15 years. We thrive on process, margin, scalability. Ehsan has been vegan for 15 years as well. As a cancer survivor, he changed his eating habits and wishes there was an app like this out there to help teach him how easy it was to become vegan. Living here in Portland for the past 20 years, I feel like I was a foodie before the term. I actually started a Google spreadsheet that showcases the exact characteristics of the business that I'd like to bring to market. I also grew up with a Paraguayan friend, first generation. His mom made the best milanesas and empanadas. And amongst our friends, you felt lucky if you were around after the holidays, if there were any leftovers, to get some. This is for them. They would have loved to showcase their delicacy on a marketplace like this if it was around. Everyone knows someone with a good dish. We want to be the platform for them to share it. We have some exciting events coming up here in August, one of which we'd like to invite you to is Demo Day, August 10th. We will be having a special guest in the town who is also a supporter, Fadi Ode from Crime Scene Kitchen Season 2. Will be showcasing his famous brownies, which the host considered the best brownies he's ever had. Would love for you to join in the conversation in the movement of the next food and gig economy. If you aren't able to attend, feel free to reach out to us on our website or via email, chef@bonappaeat.com. Appreciate your time. Look forward to connecting.